In the ever-evolving electric vehicle market, the 2024 GAC Aion UT has entered the scene with a promise to offer a stylish, affordable, and practical alternative to the more established players like the Volkswagen ID.3. With its cute looks, impressive range, and competitive pricing, the Aion UT is set to make a splash in the electric vehicle segment, especially among budget-conscious buyers who are looking for a fun and eco-friendly car without breaking the bank. The 2024 GAC Aion UT is a compact electric vehicle designed to appeal to a wide range of consumers, from city dwellers looking for a city-friendly ride to eco-conscious individuals searching for an affordable EV. It stands out with its charming design that blends retro-inspired curves with a modern, clean look, making it a visually appealing option for those who want something that's both practical and aesthetically pleasing. The cute, compact styling of the Aion UT makes it an ideal choice for younger buyers or families who want a vehicle that's as stylish as it is efficient. What really sets the Aion UT apart, however, is its affordable pricing. In a market where electric vehicles often come with high price tags, GAC has worked to create a car that doesn't sacrifice quality or performance but still remains budget-friendly. While the VW ID.3 has been one of the most popular electric hatchbacks in the European market, the Aion UT offers a more competitive pricing strategy, making it an attractive alternative for those looking to make the switch to electric without the premium price. With an expected starting price well below many rivals, including the ID.3, the Aion UT makes going electric a more accessible option for the mass market. Under the hood, the 2024 GAC Aion UT is powered by a battery pack that offers an impressive driving range. While specific range figures might vary depending on the version and driving conditions, the Aion UT is expected to deliver a range that's more than sufficient for daily commuting needs. Its affordable battery technology ensures that drivers can get a reliable range without having to worry about constant recharging, making it a practical choice for those who are transitioning to electric vehicles for the first time. Charging the Aion UT is also fast and efficient, with GAC focusing on optimizing charging times to reduce downtime for drivers. Performance-wise, the Aion UT provides a peppy drive that's ideal for city driving. With instant torque from its electric powertrain, it's capable of quick acceleration, giving drivers the fun and responsive driving experience that many modern electric vehicles are known for. It's clear that GAC has aimed to create an EV that doesn't just check the boxes for practicality and affordability, but also delivers on driving enjoyment. Inside, the Aion UT offers a spacious and tech-savvy cabin, with a focus on comfort and convenience. The interior features a modern dashboard design, equipped with an infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and other essential connectivity features. The layout is simple yet elegant, and the materials used in the cabin create a pleasant, premium feel that's unexpected in this price range. The seats are designed for comfort, and the rear seats provide ample space for passengers, making the Aion UT a great option for small families or those who need extra room for cargo. In terms of safety, the Aion UT comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including features like lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These safety features are becoming standard in many modern vehicles, and they help elevate the Aion UT's appeal to those looking for a safe and reliable daily driver. GAC has also made efforts to ensure that the Aion UT is not just a fun city car, but a vehicle that is also capable of handling longer trips. While it's designed primarily for urban environments, the Aion UT offers enough range and comfort to make it suitable for short weekend getaways or longer drives, depending on the configuration chosen. With its combination of cute looks, affordable pricing, impressive range, and advanced technology, the 2024 GAC Aion UT is positioning itself as a strong contender in the crowded electric vehicle market. It takes on the Volkswagen ID.3 and other popular electric hatchbacks with a compelling offering that balances style, performance, and affordability. Whether you're a first-time EV buyer or someone looking to upgrade to a more budget-friendly electric option, the Aion UT offers a great balance of everything you could want in an electric vehicle. In conclusion, the 2024 GAC Aion UT is a standout option for those looking for a stylish, affordable, and safe electric vehicle that doesn't compromise on performance. With its competitive pricing, charming design, and excellent range, it has the potential to disrupt the compact EV market and become a strong player in the global transition to electric mobility.